Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kahfiyya Nurzahra hartono. My last ID number is 53. This video is my answer for the philosophy of science exam. First, I will answer question number 1. Theories of scientific truth. In the philosophy of science, there are several theories of truth that explain how a statement is considered true. Four main theories that are commonly used are correspondence, coherence, pragmatic, and religious theories. 1. Correspondence theories. This theory states that a statement is considered true if it corresponds to or matches facts or realities in the real world. Example, the statement water boils at 100 derajat Celsius is true if in reality empirical facts this can be proven. 2. Coherence theory. This theory states that a statement is considered true if it consistent with other statements or theories that have previously been accepted as true. Example, the statement that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 118 derajat is coherent with Euclid's axiom system. 3. Pragmatic theory. According to the theory, truth is determined by whether an idea or statement provides practical benefit, works well, and is useful in everyday life. Example, Google Maps is considered true and valid because it practically help user find precise location. The success of its function indicates that the information is pragmatic and effective. 4. Religious theory. This theory states that truth is derived from divine revelation or religious teaching. Truth is absolute because it's organized from sacred texts. Example, in Islam, the truth that Allah is the creator of the universe is true because it is in accordance with the Quran. This truth is not based on experimentation, but on faith and revelation. Next, I will answer question number 2. Tools for scientific thinking. 1. Language. Language is a tool for conveying ideas, concepts, theories, and research results. Why it is important? Language enables science to be studied, discussed, and developed. Example, the use of scientific terms such as force, energy, mass, or voltage helps scientists understand familiar phenomena in a unified manner. 2. Logic. Logic helps organize thought coherently and prevent misunderstanding. Why it is important? Without logic, scientific conclusion can be wrong or invalid. Example, if all metal expand and iron is a metal, then iron expands. 3. Mathematics. Mathematics is a symbolic language used to measure, calculate, and model natural phenomena. Why it is important? Mathematics makes scientific knowledge more objective, precise, and testable. Example, physics formulas such as F equals m times A or Ohm law are used to accurately predict phenomena. 4. Observation. Observation is the activity of observing and recording natural or social phenomena is the art. Why is important? Observation provides empirical data as a basis for theory development. Example, observing the growth of seedlings in light and dark places to see the effect of light and photosynthesis. 5. Exam- Experiments. An experiment is a systematic activity to test a hypothesis by controlling certain variables. Why it is important? Experiment help confirm whether a cause and effect relationship is true or not. Example, adjusting the temperature variable to test how quickly ice melts at different temperature. Moving on to question number 3. Differences between rationalism and empiricism. 1. Ra- Rationalism. Rationalism holds that knowledge is object truth. Truth is attained through logical thinking without direct experience. Example, mathematics we can know that 2 plus 2 equals 4, only from logic, not from experimentation. Empiricism. Empiricism holds that knowledge is gained from experience and observation. Something is considered true if it can be proven through observation. Example, knowing that iron expands when heated is based on experimental evidence. Now I will answer question number 4. 1. Ontology. Ontology discusses the object studied by a science. Example, biology, objects are living things. Physics, objects are natural phenomena and matter. 2. Epistemology. Epistemology discusses how to acquire knowledge, including scientific method and step. Example, science use the scientific method, observation, hypothesis, experiment, and conclusion. 3. Axiology. Axiology discusses the purpose of science, namely the value, benefit, and purpose of science for humanity. Example, digital technology is used for education, health, and communication. Next, I will equal number 5. Hierarchy of science. The hierarchy of science, the grouping of science based on the nature of their object and the method used in general according to the philosophy of science. The hierarchy consists of 1. Formal science. Science that studying form of reasoning, abstract concept, and logical relationship. Example, mathematics, logic. 2. Natural science. Science that study natural phenomena and use observation and experiment. Example, physics, chemistry, biology. 3. Social science. Science that study human and social interaction. Example, sociology, economics, and philosophy. 4. Humanities. Science that study human value, culture, language, art, and history. Example, philosophy, history, and literature. Finally, I will answer question number 6. Islamization of science and the integration of religion and science. 1. The purpose of the Islamization of science and the integration of religion and science. The Islamization of science is an effort to place modern science within the framework of Islamic value, ensuring that science does not conflict with faith, moral, and teaching of the Quran. Meanwhile, the integration of religion and science is combining modern science with religious value. So, the two complement each other religion profit direction and ethic, while science profits empirical explanation. 2. Background to the emergence of both concepts. The dominance of secular Western science, which separate science from good and moral value, concurs about value for free science, which calls the match. The desire of Muslims to develop science that is in accordance with faith, encouraging the revival of Islamic civilization with modern science while remaining religious. 3. Form of implementation of the Islamization of science and the integration of religions and science. A. Developing an education curriculum based on Islamic value. B. Studying the Kauniyah verses in the Quran. 3. Developing Islamic scientific ethic. D. Research and innovation to the benefit of the community. A. Building a monotheistic perspective in a disciplines. This conclusion concludes all my answer for the philosophy of science exam. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.